The term insulating glass may seem a bit unfamiliar to everyone. In fact, we are very familiar with it in daily life. The glass installed on the windows at home is insulating glass. How is such glass processed? What kind of machine is needed? Hi, this is Hardcore Glass Knowledge Popularization Channel. Follow me, let you know different glass knowledge. The desiccant filling machine and the aluminum spacer bending machine are aluminum spacer processing machine used together. They can process aluminum spacer of different sizes as needed and carry out moisture-proof molecular sieve canning into the aluminum strips. The function of butyl sealant coating machine is to apply sealant on both sides of the processed aluminum spacer we introduced earlier to bond the two pieces of glass together, which is also called the first seal. The insulating glass lamination machine is divided into 7 sections. Let's take a look at the composition of each section. The first section is called the feeding section, and its function is to transport the single piece of glass to the second section of the cleaning box, where the glass is cleaned and dried. The third section is called the running waiting section, where the glass is transported to this section after cleaning and drying. The fourth section is called the aluminum spacer section, where the glass is attached to the aluminum strip frame. The fifth section is the closing section, where the two pieces of glass are initially synthesized into insulating glass. The sixth section is called the pressing plate section, where the glass needs to be pressed after being synthesized from the fifth section. The seventh section is called the discharging section. After a piece of insulating glass is synthesized, it is transported to this section. In this way, a piece of insulating glass is already half completed. Next, it is necessary to apply sealant on the machine in the picture above. This fully automatic insulating glass sealing line is linked to the washing machine we introduced earlier. After the glass is synthesized into insulating glass, it is automatically transferred to this machine for sealing operations. The machine is divided into 3 parts. The first section is the feeding section, which transports the glass synthesized by the hollow wire to the sealing machine. The second section is called the sealing section, which cooperates with the first section to complete the sealing work of the insulating glass. The third section is called the discharging section. When the glass reaches this stage, the entire insulating glass is ready. Okay, the above is the entire content of this video. If you are interested in my video, I hope I can get your likes and subscriptions. Here is Shandong Yuhang insulating glass line. The next video will show you some other different types of glass.